Ona thengia wa maũndũ marĩa makoretwo makĩarĩrĩrio igũrũ rĩa bamĩrĩ ya Betty Bayo gũkũ nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria, kũrĩa Shiro wa Auckland o ũndũ ũmwe na Banya magĩkoretwo kamũhari-inĩ ka mbere gũkorwo magĩtengemania ndeto cia thĩiniĩ mũno ciĩgiĩ bamĩrĩ ĩno. Rĩu nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩona Betty Bayo nĩ agĩkorirwo agĩtiga ciana ciake moko-inĩ ma maithe merĩ, na nĩ magĩkoretwo makĩrera ciana ici wega. Nĩ ũgũkorwo ũkĩona nĩ irarĩkirie gũkorwo igĩcokerera thukuru kuma break ĩrĩa magĩkorirwo makĩoya hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mamu wao agĩkorirwo akĩhurũka. Rĩu Akenya nĩ marĩkĩtie kuonania me concerned mũno thutha wa video ĩrĩa yagĩkorwo ĩkĩrekererio nĩ Sky, kũrĩa aronania Dani gakĩrĩra mũno na akĩona ihoru rĩingĩ, na Sky agagĩkorwo agĩtarĩria atĩ gũtirĩ ũndũ agĩkorwo agĩkwo, nĩ content megũkoragwo makĩoya, no anji kũrĩra o ũguo, na Akenya magagĩkorwo makiuga ta rĩngĩ nĩ ara miss mamu wao, na maũndũ maingĩ magagĩkorwo makĩario gũkũ nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria. Mwĩroreri reke ngũikie video haha, no ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ subscribe thĩinĩ wa channel ĩno itũ.
Aya guys, tulikuwa hapa tuna shoot and sijui kwa nini Dani amejam by the way. Like this is my manager right over here. We were here laughing. He was playing PS and then suddenly my manager amemita baby dudes or something. Sijui ni nini by the way. Atumekuwa hapa tukicheka cheka na ameanza kulia. You know Dani is so emotional. I don't know why he started to cry. He cries over small things. We are here to tukicheka cheka. Now she's making fun of him again. Guys, this shoot by the way imekuwa fun. Tumeipenda guys. Watch out for what we are shooting for, like what we are shooting right now. Be on standby by my page to see what we are shooting. Now follow by the way. Follow what I am saying, because by the way guys, I seriously complain anytime I market something or I do something, you guys are always following on and doing what I'm saying. So that is something that I'm thankful for you guys for. We own a script. We even have a script. We even hacked the code. I will not tell you, but tumekuwa na script na tuko hapa sasa. Guys, watch out for what we are. How old are you? I like you. Why don't you dance nowadays? Guys, why don't I dance nowadays? My mom used to direct me in dancing, like full time. She's telling me, Sky, twist this. My mom used to be, you know, I try my best not to make my YouTube into a sub story. I don't want you guys to be in the comment section saying Sky only talks about her mom and whatever. I don't want to make it that way, but seriously, she was 90% of my life, like everything. So if I'm talking to you guys about this, I have to tell you the truth, plain truth, like the way it is. She like these comments, I could just relate with her alone. So guys, don't think I'm just always talking about my mom on here. It's just that I miss her so much, and at the same time, like, she used to support me in everything. Anyways, what the reason I'm saying is that she used to support me with dancing full time. Like, if she said me to twist this way, I twist. She tells me, you're not doing hard enough. Like, she used to push me to my limit. And it got to a point I was like, oh my days, my mom is pressuring me too much. And right now I look back and I'm like, no, the Sky, that wasn't pressure. You didn't try hard enough. Right now I want to come up with a bunch of dances, do them all, and I don't want to do I want to do professional, like the best dances. You guys, you forgot I'm a hey, God, you forgot I'm a dancer. Hey, right now I am bigger, I am better, I am progressing. Guys, mjaniona? You think Juni may calm down? Sijui mamuzi anymore like I was a kid. Right now I can go round it without stopping. And I dance in school a lot. People say, oh, Sky, kwanza venye when mtoi, it's hard to suggest. Just whatever you have to say, cleanse it and comment. It ain't that hard. Okay. Guys, no, this is weird. So I don't understand that Swahili. Okay, a question. If you if you meet a fan and they want to be your friend and ask if you can follow them so that you'll talk, would you allow? Guys, this has happened a lot of times. I've met people before and they'll be like, Sky, follow me back. But guys, I'm so sorry, I can't follow back. It's for my own safety. And I'm telling you, if you go through my account, I don't text anyone, like anyone. I don't, cause it's for my own safety. I'm still a kid. Like, I have no business. Just everyone who comes to say follow me, I follow them back. I start talking to them. I will have over like so many people, so thousands of people in my DMs, and I don't want that. So please, if you come to me asking, Sky, would you follow me back? I'm just gonna take your Insta and keep it in mind, unless you came to me with a vibe. Thank you. If you want me to follow you back, give me a vibe, give me a reason to follow you back. You can't come to me, Sky, can you follow me back? Girl, no, girl, please get out the door. Like, give me a vibe, dance a bit, give me a vibe, give me a reason to follow you back. You would come to me just because you have seen me and say I follow you back, I follow you back. No, give me a vibe. Thank you. Do you wear makeup? And if you do, wash it off. I'm curious to see you without makeup. Guys, do you realize right now, even in this video, I have no makeup? I did a video, my last video was, I want to make it clear right now, I don't do makeup. That was my first time, that's why I bought everything. The only thing I have on my face as per now is a lip liner and lip gloss. I'm a natural girly. Like, it's just, guys, see, now as I tell, I don't have makeup. Seriously, some of you guys be like, I saw me lip syncing to this other video and she's like, oh, she wears too much makeup. No, I don't have makeup, guys. I don't wear makeup. Okay, are those your real lashes? Of course. How many years are 3? Guys, what type of questions are these? What type of questions are these?